Hey guys, welcome to Firelake. My name is Jarrett and I'm the captain of the ship.
Here it's all about the flavour of the flame.
Born in Minnesota, Firelake Grill House and Cocktail Bar combines the best of Midwest traditions of open flame cooking and the art of cocktail creation.
As many of our dishes as possible are wood, flame grilled or smoked.
Our stunning terrace, cool beats, and great views are definitely a reason for you guys to come check us out.
Whilst our cuisine is rooted in North America, we've made sure there are plenty of touches closer to home. Make sure you come and check us out at Firelake Grill House and Cocktail Bar, Dubai.